What up? What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Bravo. And in today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about the new upgraded seats that I got from LEXLAND. I'm so stoked. I'm so pumped up. So a few months ago, I went into this website right here, LEXLAND, and I got some seats that I wanted to update on my 2025 Forerunner. I ended up going with the red. As you can see, there's blue and there's black. So bear with me. My video didn't come out the way that I wanted to, so now I have to do this voiceover. But I'm excited to kind of talk to you guys, talk through it with you guys. The quality of these seats are awesome. I am loving the color. I am loving the quality. It did take me a minute to get it put on, figure it out. But once I did, I just kind of followed suit throughout the whole thing and it looks awesome. At the end of the video or towards the end of the video, I kind of give you an example of what they look like now. So keep on watching. I'm going to shut the fuck up and I'm going to let you guys watch and enjoy the video. Appreciate it. Again, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Leave some love, baby. Leave some love. Talk to you guys later. Music now. So one of the reasons why I keep going back and forth with this seat is because I wanted it to be perfect. This isn't the only seat that took me forever to do. All the other seats took me a while more than probably normal to do, but that's just me. I wanted it to be perfect. I didn't want any of the other light gray material showing, so that's why it's taking me a minute. So all these seat covers have straps, buckles, Velcro, and one way or another, you're gonna have to either Velcro, strap it down to the seat, and I was waiting a while for me to get these covers, so I just wanted to get them in, get them over with. It was the end of the day. It was starting to become nighttime, even though it looks really, really sunny. I just wanted to get it done. Get her done. These are just some of the things that you needed to secure in between the seats. Those are 3 of the buckles, and then these are 2 of the hooks that I'm gonna show you that go underneath the seat and in order to secure it. The last thing to do was the headrest. It was pretty self-explanatory, simple to do. Again, this is the end product. I had troubles recording in the beginning, so this is the next day. But LEXLAND blew it out of the water with this one. I really like the quality. Do I recommend this product? I definitely do recommend this product. If you guys were to upgrade, this is basically an SR5 Premium now. No more cloth seats, all leather, baby. Yeah, buddy. Again, you guys, thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Show me some love. Like, comment, do whatever you got to do. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.